Hi everyone! This is Raymond of Wilcon Depot at nandito ako para i-introduce sa inyo ang aming bagong offering with Hilti Philippines. Hilti for Rent. Let's get started! Wilcon Depot has entered into a partnership with Hilti Philippines to make renting quality tools easy for you. Meron kaming comprehensive range of Hilti tools na pwede niyong gamitin mula corded demolition hammers, rotary hammers, hanggang sa kanilang latest cordless innovation na Neuron. Para makapagsimula sa inyong renting journey, bisitahin lang ang Wilcon Depot Balintawak at Wilcon Depot Alabang branch para matulungan ka ng aming branch specialist sa mga rental processes at requirements. Meet Jaylord, one of our branch specialists who will assist you in this journey. Ihanda lang ang at least 2 valid government-issued IDs and you're good to go. A security cash deposit is needed depending on the tool being rented. 2 ay refundable upon tool return. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Simulan na ang inyong renting journey. Puntahan nyo na ang Wilcon Depot Balintawak at Alabang branch para matulungan kayo ng aming branch specialist. Come and visit us now!